What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital type of money that works online without needing banks. It uses special codes, cryptography, and records transactions on a secure list called the blockchain. 2. Bitcoin's price changes quickly. Bitcoin's price moves a lot, sometimes rising sharply, other times dropping fast. If you invest, be ready for these big ups and downs. 3. Bitcoin's recent highest price. Bitcoin has grown dramatically over the years. It started out being worth just a few cents, and recently it reached a record high around $112,000 for one Bitcoin. 4. Keep your Bitcoin safe. Always protect your Bitcoin by using secure devices called hardware wallets, like Ledger or Trezor, safe exchanges, and extra security steps like two-factor authentication. 5. Government rules can affect Bitcoin. Different countries have different rules about Bitcoin. These rules can change, and when they do, they can affect Bitcoin's price. 6. Watch out for scams. Be careful. Some people pretend they can help you make quick money with Bitcoin. Always double-check and be cautious about deals that seem too good to be true. Think long-term. People who keep Bitcoin for a long time usually make more money than people who try to buy and sell quickly. Being patient often pays off. 8. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into just Bitcoin. Investing in different things helps reduce risk and protects your overall money. 9. Know the tax rules. If you earn money from Bitcoin, you may owe taxes. Learn how taxes work in your country so you won't be surprised later. 10. Keep learning and stay updated. Bitcoin and blockchain technology keep changing and improving. Stay informed by reading news, researching, and talking with knowledgeable people to make smart investment decisions. Like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure to watch the next video to dive deeper into crypto.